Check out this pickup. This is a 1994 GMC 1500 light duty truck. It's got about 149,000 miles on it. It is in excellent condition. This is a 4-wheel drive short bed single cab pickup. It's got later model GMC wheels on it. Give it a great look. Nice Bridgestone tires. 350 throttle body injected motor, automatic. It's got air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, power windows, power locks. Black paint, is in good shape for its age. This was a really well taken care of pickup truck. Drives awesome. It's got a great look to it. Super clean interior. It's got a newer exhaust system on it. Looks like the cats have been replaced. And the mufflers, nice dual exhaust system. Sounds great. I got the air conditioning on here.
And sometimes
4-wheel drive controls down here on the floor. I had this off earlier to look at the dash. It's in really good shape. Glad they have that cover on. That helps protect it from the sun and the elements. Also, this vehicle has a new windshield. Check out this engine bay, super clean. These throttle body systems are very reliable, very responsive, runs and starts really well. It's got a 4-speed overdrive automatic transmission. Really smooth sounding engine. Hood closes nice. It's got some nice aftermarket headlight assemblies. Those are bright. I know it's the daytime out here, but those show well. You know, the truck does have 150,000 miles on it, but for that mileage, it is really clean and drives super smooth. You know, I don't really see much for rock chips up front here. Got a nice bed cover on it. It's the SLE package, as you can see there. Bench seats in good shape. behind the bench seat. Some storage areas. Slider window. Awesome sounding exhaust. Tailgate here does have some blemishes. Let's see, some scratches and whatnot in here, but it does have a really nice mirror-like finish, as you can see me in the video. Bed has a nice kind of like a liner on it. Some nice carpet. Nice clean bed. If you're interested in this truck, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. About 80 plus high resolution pictures. Have some pictures of the underside so you can check it out under there. And if you have any questions, please give us a call. carsrememberwhen.com. We'd be happy to answer any questions you have about this beautiful OBS short bed single cam pickup. Thanks.